Hello, here I have opened the admin control panel of hybrid.me. As you know, there are two types of users, mainly front-end users, customers and service providers. Service providers are mainly the beauty salons and customers are those who are looking for the beauty services. So here you can see customer list, and if I click on awaiting for email approval, so we get this list where we can see awaiting email confirmation customer list with customer name, email, joining date and actions. Here we can edit customer or delete this customer. So here I am clicking on edit link, and such kind of form will open where there will be three fields like name, email and customer status. We can fill up this form and we can update it, or we can click on back option as it is the live admin control panel. So I'm not doing any changes here. Going back to the previous tab, here if I click on all active customers, so I get this listing, active customer lists that is already approved by the admin. So here also we can see customer name, email, joining date and actions with same kind of action options like edit customer and delete this customer. Same way if you click on all blocked customers, so here we can see the blocked customer list with customer name, email, joining date and actions. But as this website has not any blocked customer at present, so this section is empty for now. Now if I click on service provider list, I can see here also three options come like awaiting for approval. So service provider list who are just waiting for the approval by the admin. We can see the list here. We can see service provider name here, store name here, email here from Google or any other places. So it will be listed here, joining date, status. We can see three options here, awaiting for approval, active or block. Here in this action section, here are a few more actions like this is edit service provider. I am clicking on it, opening a new tab. Here I can edit the details if needed with tabs like venue details, opening hours, policies, special occasion. So I can edit from here. Going back to previous tab, here is the reviews. If any review is there, so I can see here. At present that store doesn't have any review, so it's empty for now. Here I can add images from here. No photos are available at the moment. From here you can reset the password. Like here I can enter password and re-enter the password. By this admin can reset the password for that store. And clicking this, the service provider will be deleted. I can click on this all active service provider and the list comes here. Same here, we can see service provider name, store name, email, here from, joining date, status with active or awaiting for approval or blocked. You can see all these users are active. In previous tab, when we open awaiting for approval, then we could see here like awaiting for approval, but here all are active members. Here also same action options come like edit service provider, reviews, add images, reset password or delete this service provider. Here I can see all blocked service provider listing here, and the list is here. Service provider name, store, email, here from, joining date, status. You can see these users are blocked actually. These service providers are blocked by the admin. This we have done for the testing purpose, this one. And actions, same actions are here like edit, reviews, images, reset password or delete. Here I can see there is a booking list tab, and if I click on show list, it will show me the list of bookings. Like here I can search by booking ID or customer name directly. I can type it and search, so that will come in option. I can sort it by most recent bookings, payment pending, payment prepaid, or I can just click on this download, and the whole list will be downloaded to me. Here I can see the list with the booking ID, order date, customer name, store name where he has booked, and the service type. There are different type of services like makeover, hair cutting, ladies haircuts, and so many. So services, service type, value, mode of payment, payment status. You can see here different options like completed, pending. Few I can see completed, few are pending, and also order status like confirmed, cancelled, completed, and rescheduled. Here two options we can see, view or delete. So if I click on the view, I can see the booking details like this, with the store name, service, appointment date, appointment time, employee name, order subtotal, surcharge, order total, and mode of payment. Now if I click on service category, I can see there are two options, so show list and add new. Clicking on show list will open like this category list, like categories for like hair services, amazing nail services. Clicking on one, you can see the subcategories under this for hair services opens here. When this category is selected, here I get two options like delete selected main category or edit selected main category. When I click on any of the subcategories, this change to delete selected subcategory or edit selected subcategory. I can click on this, and okay, I will have to do here like this. I can edit, and I can save it or click on this back option. Now if I click on add new, so service add form will be open, where I can select the service name, order, where it will be showed, image I can upload here. It's a small image, it's a large image, service name, description, and I can save it or I can back it. Now let's click on promo code. Here also two options come, add new and show list. Clicking on show list will show all the promo codes with coupon name, coupon code, discount amount, expiry date, status, actions like edit promo code or delete. Clicking on here add new or here add new, we can add new promo code. But before that I will show you how to edit it. Like this. I just clicked on here this symbol, and this page get open. I actually opened a new tab where I can edit the coupon code, name, amount, expiry date, minimum purchase, enabled, number of users, and this section. This coupon code can be used with these categories. Like I can select any of these and I can update it, or I can click on this back button. So now I am clicking on add new, and add promo code form will be open, where I have to fill up all these fields, and if I add this promo code will be added to this list here. Now here is a section agent management, where also there are two subcategories like add new and show list. Clicking on show list, and this list will be open, where I can see agent code, agent name, email, address, phone, and actions. Here also three kind of actions are there, like edit details, where I can edit the detail of that agent. I can delete here, and or I can view it. Here like this I can edit the form. I can save it or click on the back button. If I click on the view, so it will show me something like this, where I can export the report, I can also filter or show all based on the dates like this. Add new will clicking on add new will open a form like this where I can fill up this form and I can save it or click on the back button. Here products used. This also has two subcategories like show list and add new. Show list will show the list like this where we can see the product name, sorting order and actions with edit and delete button. And clicking on add new will open a form like this where we can give the product name, order and save it or click on the back button. Here is the tab service type where also two options are there, add new and show list. So I'm clicking on show list and it will show the service type management here, listing here where we can see the name and actions with edit and delete button. And if I click on the add new, so same way here we can type the service type name and we can select the order where it will show, and we can click on the save button or we can click on the back button. Our service location also has add new and show list. Show list will show this listing, service location listing with name and actions with edit and delete section. Add new will have a form like this where I can give the service provider phone type name and can save it. Provider phone type also has show list option listing. It also shows the name and actions with edit and delete button, delete icons. Here clicking on add new, we can give the phone type name and can save it. Here are the few sections like static image management like this where we can see ID, title, image, URL, created date and actions. Clicking on this edit icon, section will open like this where we can edit the form with title. We can select here, we can upload a file here, image file. We can type here and we can edit the text. We can format the text by using this editor. We can select like this, we can check like this, and you can see here is a button delete checked. So if I click on this, so this listing will be deleted. Here is a all post section. If I click on show list, it will show me the post of few CMS pages. Here we can see based on ID, date, title, and in action you can see that we can edit it. We can edit the form where there is title, page banner, we can upload it, page banner, content we can write here and format using this editor. Like you can see, we have edited it. We can, we can just how we want the URL to be there, we can manage it from here. Like you can see, it is written terms -of -conditions. We can give the title, keywords, description. We can save it and it will be saved, or we can click on the back button and it will not be saved and back to the previous page. Here using this section, the super admin can manage sub admins. Like you can see, it shows the names, admin type, either super admin or sub admin, user status, active, inactive, active or inactive, and actions, means user can edit or delete. Super admin can edit or delete. Now there are few CMS pages like FAQ management. So it shows the questions, answers, and clicking on this, user can edit the question